Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play a really easy beginner version of Scott Joplin's The Entertainer on the piano. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brianne and I teach beginners how to play songs that they love on the piano through reading easy and beginner sheet music. Now, if that's you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also check out my other tutorials because I have a bunch of other songs and I add new songs every week. So make sure you check those out and find some other songs that really get you excited about playing and learning the piano. Now, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to play The Entertainer off of sheet music. If you don't know how to read sheet music, or maybe you do know how to read sheet music, but you're really slow at reading sheet music, listen up. I want to show you a way that you can read sheet music 5 times faster. This is the formula that I use. It's the formula that I teach all of my students how to use. I've put it all together into a free guide. You can download it for free down below. Are you ready? Let's play The Entertainer on the piano. We're gonna be starting on this high D all the way up here. So here's middle C right here. So it's not this D, but it's the next D. Now, those treble clef notes are what we're going to play with our right hand. So that's like the top section. And then the bottom section is the bass clef where we're going to play with our left hand. Now, the treble clef notes are written right here, but we have the 8 VA sign, which means that we're going to play them up an octave. So we're going to go all the way up here. So we're going to play D, E, C, A. We're going to hold on to it, B, and then slide our thumb to G. Okay, so those are the notes. So let's go through it again a little bit faster. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now in the next measure, we have the same notes, but 8 VA is gone. So we're going to move it down to the octave where it's written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to keep moving down to the D that's by middle C. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Left hand's going to come in and play G sharp, okay, until we go on to the next measure. Spoiler, we're going to be going on to the G in the next measure, okay? So you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try this whole line one more time. So we're going to start all the way up here on this D. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this next line, we're going to drop our left hand down to play G for 4 beats. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you should notice our left hand is dropping down. We're going to move finger 3 down to this low G, and our right hand's going to play this high G at the same time. Okay, so we'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, drop down. Okay, so that's the intro part. Let's keep going. For this next part, our right hand's going to play D and then E flat. Okay, so here's E flat, so it's going to be a black key. Now the finger in here, you're going to play 1 and then 2, and then you're going to take your thumb, finger number 1, and you're going to slide it underneath so that you can reach up for this C. Okay, so try that a couple of times until it feels easy. So you're going to play 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so try that one more time. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 1. Now notice we have the same note because it's in the same space. The only difference is we're going to take finger 5, and instead of playing it with finger 5, we're going to move finger number 1 up there. Okay? So, and then we're going to play 2, 3, E flat again. Okay, so I know this right hand's a little bit complicated, so let's try it again. So we're going to play 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, hold, move your thumb up, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's go get left hand. So left hand at that part is playing middle C for 4 beats, and then B flat for 4 beats, and then A for 4 beats, and then we slide finger 3 down to A flat for 4 beats, okay? So let's do just left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when you're ready, let's try putting it together. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Bring your thumb up. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for this next line, I'm going to do just my right hand first. So finger 3 is going to be on E. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Slide your thumb down to B, D, C. Okay. Then you're going to drop back down to D, E flat, E, C, E. Okay. Now with your left hand, you're going to play at measure 13 there. You're going to play G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, up to C, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to rest for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to drop finger number 5 down to below C. Okay? So let's slowly try to put this together. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm going to drop my left hand. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this next line, I'm going to do just my right hand and then my left hand, and then we'll put it together. So I'm going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now here it gets a little crazy with the fingering, so I'm going to walk you through it. So right there where you see the 2 that's circled, it's over the A. So you're going to place finger 2 on A. So you're going to play A, step down to G, cross over with finger 2 to F sharp, tuck under to A with your thumb, C, E, D, C, A. Okay, so let's go over that again. So starting from the beginning of the line with just your right hand, you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest. Take finger 2, put it on A, G, F sharp, tuck under to A, C, E, hold on to it, D, C, A. Okay, now this is usually the trickiest part for students, so you might want to go over just your right hand here a couple more times until that feels comfortable, okay? Okay, just know that if it feels hard, that's okay. It's supposed to feel hard. Okay, for the left hand, at measure 18, your thumb is on G, so you're going to play G for 4 beats, and then you're going to play F for 4 beats, and then E for 4 beats, and then D for 4 beats, and then D again. Okay, so at least the left hand's pretty simple, while the right hand gets a little crazy. Okay, so here we go, both hands together at measure 18. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for this next line, we're going to do just the right hand, then the left hand, then put it together. So right hand's going to play D for 4 beats, but then it's tied over to a half note, so it'll really be 6 beats. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We're going to go back. So our thumb is on D, E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and move your thumb up to the high C. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so some of this should seem familiar because we've already played it. All right, now at measure 23 with your left hand, you're going to play your thumb on G, then you're going to cross over to A, and then B. Okay, so you were here with your thumb on G, cross it over to A, B, and then you're resting for 2 beats. And look, hey, Our thumb is back at middle C, exactly where it should be. So we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A flat. Okay, so we've got some white keys and some black keys there. So watch out for which one's which. Okay, let's do this line, hands together. And if at any point you feel like you're not ready to put hands together, don't do this step. Keep going back and doing hands separately first so that you can feel really comfortable and then come and put them back together. So we're on D here with our right hand at the beginning of this line, G with our left hand. So we're gonna play 1, 2, cross over, go back down to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, go to A flat, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this next line, I'm gonna do my right hand again, left hand, and then put it together. So we're on E natural. That's what the sign means. It just means that the flat's gone, so we're just playing regular E. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, slide your thumb to B, D, and then C, 2, 3, 4, rest for 2 beats, and then we're gonna play C, D, E, C, D, E, hold, C, D, C. Okay? And then with our left hand, we're gonna play G for 4 beats here. So we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna play C, 2, 3, 4, and then B flat for 4 beats. Okay, so most of these notes should start to look very familiar with you because we've been playing them the whole song. Okay, let's put hands together at measure 29. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you've made it to the last line. So I'm gonna do just my right hand, then my left hand, and then we'll put it together. Okay, so we're up here on the E. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, drop your thumb, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right hand's gonna go all the way up to this high C. Play it nice and staccato, so you wanna get right off of it. Now with your left hand, you're gonna play A for 4 beats, and then A flat for 4 beats, and then G for 4 beats, G again, 2, 3, 4, and then middle C, 2, 3, 4, and then for the last measure, you're going to drop your left hand down to C and G, and nice and staccato. That's when you play this high C up there. Okay, let's put it together. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go all the way up and down. And there you go. There's the entertainer.